What's up, traders? Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to talk about how to trade breakouts and breakdowns properly and the right way. So just before we start, if you're new to the channel, make sure to leave a like, share and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future videos. So with that being said, let's get straight into it. So as you can see, here's a chart on AMD, guys. All right, this thing is on a 3-minute time frame. All right, so this system works on pretty much everything: equities, forex, crypto, whatever you want to use it, cryptocurrencies. This is just how the markets operate, guys. So let me just show you what I mean. So normally traders would be like, oh, there's a big move, wait for the pullback, we're gonna buy as soon as this break of this high happens. If price breaks out, we're gonna buy. All right, the problem with that, all right, is you're buying too high, guys. Why are you chasing breakouts? You have such small window of profits where why don't you get in as soon as green takes out red in here? This is where you should be getting in, right? And as soon as these highs break, you should scale out your position, not try and buy up here because the stock is already extended, guys. So the most safest entries, as you can see, this green line here is the 9 SMA simple moving average. Okay, so as soon as price comes back to this level, it acts as support. This works on trends, on uptrends, on downtrends. You don't want to be trying to buy or short when the market is like this, okay, in a flat range, in a consolidation mode. Okay, so this is the most safest entry. All right, bull flag, pull back towards the 9 SMA, and I do suggest you use that moving average, and this should be your entry. As soon as new highs break out, this is where you should scale out. Here's another example: stock pushes up, pulls back, this should be your entry out, new highs. Because look what happens as soon as the new high breaks, guys. A solid pullback and you're trapped in here. If you're buying up in here, you're getting stopped out, okay? And this is why you shouldn't chase these moves. You know, stocks move in waves, guys. They do this. They don't just move up and up and up. No, there's always a wave, okay? And normally the first pullback is the most safest to buy. As soon as this high breaks, you should scale out your position, okay? Newbies are taught the wrong things. They are taught to buy in here, and then price does that. Okay, so the proper traders are buying in this area, and they're scaling out at new highs, guys. I can show you multiples of examples. I can show you examples on the downside, on the upside, whether you guys want to see. This is on AMD. I can go over. This is a flat day, so I wouldn't really look at this. We'll look at this on a 1 minute, but it's the same principle. This had a big move, pull back at the 9, and then out new highs. Can you see how it moves in waves? The 9 SMA supports this move. As soon as this high breaks, you should be scaling out because look what happens. Price pulls back. Okay, and you can trend trade these all the time. You know, out, pulls back. Small risk, bigger rewards, and you're out on the new highs, guys. Okay, and this happens all the time. This is the way the markets operate, guys. And I can pull up any stock. I can show you the same things over and over again. I can even show you how to trade breakdowns, guys. This is MU. Alright, as soon as this corrects the 9, you get a pullback. This is your safest entry. You should be out towards the new lows because price comes back. Okay, another new low. You should be out. Don't try and short breakdowns because look what happens. Price comes back up. This is where people are covering, the smart people, and they're shorting in this area, guys. Okay. Like I said, you can use this on any time frame, on any stock. Okay. You just need to follow the trend. If you want to be if you're a trend trader, then you're gonna stick to these rules, guys. As you can see, it's very hectic at the market open at times. But as soon as a trend forms, okay, you should be scaling out. Oh, look at this little break of this low, pullback. This is your little short area in here. As soon as red takes out green, so right in here, look at this move, fluid breakdown. It's the same scenario, just on the way down. Okay, and look what happens when a new low is made. You get an instant bounce. Okay, look at this. Pierced the new low by a few cents. Look at this. You know, newbie traders are going to try and short this, hoping this is the low of day, and oh, it's going to break down. Let's short it. Okay, and then price just decides to reverse, because this is how the market operates. So don't get trapped into this stuff, guys. Okay, another example here. This is RKT stock. This is a new IPO that came out. Look at this. Yeah, you're gonna try and short this, getting stopped out. And then you're gonna try and revisit, you know, think, oh, it's another new low, let's short, and then bam, get stopped out again. So the whole point of this video is for me to show you guys where the most safest entries are, and they are pullbacks, guys. Always buying the pullbacks. Okay, whether it's the 9, you might be using the 20 estimate, the 50, whatever you may be using. Just trend trade pullbacks, guys. All right, don't buy breakouts or breakdowns, because that's where it's most likely price will return or reverse. Okay, no matter if you're shorting or buying. Okay, doesn't matter which way you're looking at it. Same thing. This was AMD on Friday. New low here. Look at that. All right, your safest entry needs to be in this zone. You should be scaling out once again. New low. All right, trying to short this. Minimal potential. Look at this. Stock bounces right back up. This would be your normal and safe entry. All right. Again, look at this. Your short should be in this area. This is where you scale out. Okay. You're too late shorting in here, guys. Look at this. Another bounce. Look at this. Another bounce. Okay. So you could have traded this all day long if you really wanted to. I personally, we only trade the stock market open. The first hour is where the most money is made, because throughout lunchtime and intraday trading, it becomes really choppy. Although there is trends, but it's very light in volume, so I'd suggest to stay away from intraday. You should be trading the first hour and the last hour of the market open, guys, and that's it. You should be done. Okay. We'll go into that in another video. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys learned something valuable. Okay, the most important thing is try and buy breakouts at reasonable pullback price. Okay, you're minimizing your risk and you're maximizing your profit potential, guys. Okay, same way on the downside. If you're a short seller, try and short on little pullbacks and then new lows. Cover your positions. Thanks for checking out my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something new. If you did, leave a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.